In today's video, I'm going to guide you through a simple process to enhance your Google Meet experience by adding or changing your background. This feature not only offers a little extra privacy, but also adds a fun twist to your virtual meetings. So let's get started right away. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to the Google Meet website. Once there, you'll see options to either join an existing meeting or create your own. If you're joining a pre-scheduled meeting, just follow the prompts as usual. If you're starting a new meeting, simply click the button to create one and you'll be on your way. Once you're in the meeting, direct your attention to the controls at the bottom of your screen. They're conveniently placed for easy access throughout your meeting. Specifically, look for the three-dot menu icon, typically located right beside the Leave Call button. Clicking here will open a list of additional options available to you within Google Meet. Within this menu, you'll spot an option labeled Backgrounds and Effects. Go ahead and click on that. This feature allows you the creativity and flexibility to adjust your meeting environment. After selecting this, a pop-up window will emerge on the right side of your screen. This is your control panel for customizing your background while in a meeting. Scrolling through this panel, you'll find a range of options focused on background modifications. You might see a selection titled Blur alongside a collection of personal backgrounds you can choose from. Blur options will let you subtly or completely blur your actual background, which can help maintain a level of privacy or eliminate distractions behind you. Decide which blurring option fits your needs best. The slight blur gives a gentle softening effect, while the complete blur will make sure nothing behind you is visible during your call. If you feel like changing things up a notch, you can explore some of the available custom backgrounds for an even more personalized meeting setting. Once you've made your selection, simply click on your choice. You should see an instant preview of how it looks, allowing you to make any additional tweaks if necessary. After confirming you're happy with your selection, just close the pop-up window and your new setting will be live for the duration of your meeting. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've personalized your Google Meet background. Not only does this keep things professional when necessary, but it can also add a bit of fun or whimsy to your calls. Remember, the next time you join or create a meeting, these settings are right at your fingertips, ready to be customized as you see fit. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for your future virtual meetings.